Hello friends, welcome back. Here's one more important update about TCS Digital Elevate V1 Assessment 2021. And this update is about the retest of Digital Capability Assessment. So guys, most of the candidates had got mail on Saturday that they are eligible to take the retest of Digital Capability Assessment. But all those candidates had given the assessment on 28th of January. But that time, the candidates who had given the assessment on 27th of January were not eligible to take the retest. But now TCS has decided to take the retest of all candidates. But guys, here's one more important thing. Is it for only coding section or for all sections? So guys, this retest is only for coding section. You cannot take the retest of other sections because the reason of this retest is the compiler issue. So you had faced this issue only in coding section, so you are not eligible to take the retest of other section. That simple. However, I know most of the candidates were not able to perform well in numerical ability section. So in simple word, you can take the retest of only coding section. And now you must have received the mail from TCS, and this is the mail, and here they have clearly mentioned that they have decided to open the reassessment survey to all DCA participants who appeared the assessment on 27th and 28th of January. So guys, all those candidates who have appeared in the digital capability assessment can take this assessment again. If you had not filled the survey last time, then you will not be eligible this time also. And to take the retest, you have to fill this survey. If you are not filling this survey, then you will not be eligible to take this retest. And this is the link that you must have got in the mail that you have received from the TCS. And guys, one more thing, don't expect your result very soon because this process is going to take time. So you cannot expect result very soon this time. And last time also it had taken 25 to 30 days. So you have to wait that long this time also. So guys, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video, and I request all of you to subscribe this channel IT India.